So I have kept it here on the above the window. So if you will see, I have not used any clip, only the basic cable clip has been used, just for to keep it with the wall here as well. So no weight has been put on here, these ones. So as I had to kept it above the window, so I have not used these. So we can use it as horizontal as well, as like I have used it, and we can also use it as a vertical by using this one on the top. So it depends on how you would like to use it. There is a good space for writing the content. And I have used it for a few days, and the quality of the product is very good, and it is not leaving any marks after writing and erasing it. I have also done one more thing. I have used double-sided tapes, so we are on the four corners, so that it will not move while writing, and it will be just get glued with the wall. This is magnetic board. Actually there is a one layer of metal behind this board, which will help in fixing any of the magnetic object here on the board. Board itself is not magnetic. Whatever the objective, like a magnetic duster, will get fixed here. This is magnetic duster, which I got it now, and this is having the magnetic to get it fixed here, like this. If I will show you, there is a iron pins here, and these are not getting fixed here, but if you will see with the magnetic duster, these are getting fixed here. So the objectives which we will be using, like the duster, would be magnetic, and not board itself is magnetic. Only there is a layer behind this board which will help in getting the magnetic objective fixed here, like this. There is a good space to write, as you can see. Thank you for watching the video.